Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. The language runtime and the thread API are available. Next, you outline shared state and pick locks or queues. This prevents race conditions. Once done, write a minimal main function that spawns a single worker thread so you can observe lifecycle and messaging. Make sure to import the thread module or class and set thread names for easier debugging. This first test establishes a controlled environment and lets you iterate safely without complex concurrency yet. You now implement the core thread logic. Encapsulate the job in a function or runnable object so responsibilities are clear. Then, wire threads to communicate via a thread-safe queue or explicit locks. This prevents lost updates and deadlocks. While coding, handle exceptions inside each thread and emit clear logs for start, progress, and completion. Once done, tune priorities or pool sizes if supported, and prefer pooling over creating many short-lived threads to reduce overhead and context switching. You finish by ensuring graceful shutdown, join or await threads so resources are released predictably. Then run a stress test under realistic load and monitor CPU, memory, and lock contention to find bottlenecks. If behavior diverges, reproduce the issue with verbose logs and smaller inputs to isolate the root cause. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent failures occur, add deterministic seeds and reduce concurrency. This often reveals race conditions that disappear under non-deterministic scheduling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.